mutation, mutation, mutation. Noun. Definition: the action or process of mutating. Example: the mutation of cooking into a form of show business. Noun. Definition: the changing of the structure of a gene, resulting in a variant form that may be transmitted to subsequent generations, caused by the alteration of single base units in DNA, or the deletion, insertion, or rearrangement of larger sections of genes or chromosomes. Noun. Definition: regular change of a sound when it occurs adjacent to another.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.